Now students, we ask second question. Three small spheres melted and recast a big sphere. 3 छोटे छोटे स्फीयर को मेल्ट करके एक बड़ा स्फीयर बनाया जा रहा है। 3 छोटे छोटे स्फीयर को मेल्ट करके जब बड़ा स्फीयर बनाएंगे तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ दीज 3 स्फीयर्स इक्वल्स टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिग स्फीयर। दैट मीन्स 4/3 pi r cube. That is the formula. So same formula in there and same formula in there. 4/3 pi r cube, 4/3 pi r cube and 4/3 pi r cube. Okay? So student, R1, R2 and R3. Why we are placing R1, R2 and R3? Because these radius are differ to each other. Okay? And we take common 4/3 pi, then R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube and equals to 4/3 pi capital R cube. You plot all these values, R1, R2, R3, and these balls are melted recasting a big sphere. So find the radius of the big sphere, plot all these values due to the calculation, find the capital R value. Got it, students? Now third one is cylindrical well. Well means कुआं. A cylindrical well whose diameter is 7 and height is 20. Digging and all the material filled in the platform. कुएं से मिट्टी निकाली गई और प्लेटफॉर्म पे फिल की गई. How much digging were in there? कितनी मिट्टी निकाली गई होगी और कितना ऊंचा वो हुआ होगा. That means the cylinder volume equals to cuboid volume. Cylinder volume equals to cuboid volume. Okay? Cylinder volume pi r square h and cuboid volume L into B into H. So in there, diameter is 7, so radius is 3.5 and height is 20 also given. Here, length is given, breadth is given, and find the height. Find the height of the platform. How much high of this platform be made it. Understood? And same type of question number 4. A cylindrical well whose dimension यानी diameter is 3 meter and height is 14 meter. Digging and spread over all embankment. कुएं के चारों ओर चबूतरे को हम लोग embankment बोलते हैं. So digging and the mud is filled for the embankment. यहाँ पे आपको निकली हुई मिट्टी को फिल करना है. आपको बताना है कि इसको फिल करने के बाद हाउ मच हाई द एम्बैंकमेंट बी इम्प्रूव्ड. सो व्हाट हैपनिंग? सिलेंडर वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू एम्बैंकमेंट वॉल्यूम, बट समथिंग चेंज. व्हाट शेप ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट? कैन यू नो व्हाट शेप ऑफ एम्बैंकमेंट? Only this portion is embankment, not this. This is the well. So at first we are find the embankment area. Embankment area. How can we find embankment area? Pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. Means अगर हम आउटर सर्किल में इनर सर्किल को लेस कर दे तो हमें एम्बैंकमेंट का एरिया मालूम हो जाएगा. ओके? एंड वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? एरिया इनटू हाइट. So plot the value R1 and R2. Find the area of embankment. What is the value of R1? R1 value means external circle. External circle, because embankment is 4 meter wide and well diameter is 3, that means radius is 1.5. So external circle radius R1 equals to 4 plus 1.5, that means 5.5. And R2, that means well radius is 1.5. Plot all these values, find the embankment area. Then after apply it, cylinder volume equals to embankment volume. Cylinder volume pi r square h, R2, because its radius we are called R2. And embankment area into height. What is the area? You find in there, put in there and find the height. So transfer the area and find the height. Got it, students? Now the question number 5th. There have a container which is full filled with ice cream, and the container whose diameter is 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. And this container is full of ice cream and filled with the ice cream in softies, and shape of softie conical and hemispherical. Understood? So how much softies fulfilled by this container? So at first we are find one ice cream volume. How can we find one ice cream volume? One ice cream volume equals to, what is the shape of ice cream? Conical with hemispherical part. So cone volume plus hemisphere volume. Right? Cone volume 1/3 pi r square h, and hemisphere volume 2/3 pi r cube. Can you know the radius? Yes, diameter is 6 centimeter, so radius is 3 centimeter, and height of conical portion is 12 centimeter. So plot all these values and find the one ice cream volume. Then after, number of ice cream equals container volume upon one ice cream volume. Got it, student? How can find the container volume? Container like a cylinder, so pi r square h upon ice cream volume you find in there. What is the radius of container? So you know that diameter is 12, so radius of container is 6 and height is also given. Plot all these values and find the volume of ice. How many ice creams are filled with this container. Okay, understood these topics? So in this exercise there I have the 8-9 questions. So today we are finished the 4th question, and then after we are start other.